If SUVs are now defining one end of the luxury car spectrum, then rear mid-engine cars represent the other end. Traditionally, Aston Martin has not played in the rear mid-engine segment. Later this year, when we start delivering the first of our rear mid-engine cars, the Aston Martin Valkyrie, frankly, is going to change this segment forever. Co-developed with Red Bull Advanced Technologies, Aston Martin Valkyrie, with its 1,160 brake horsepower, not only promises to be the defining hypercar of the decade, but also establishes a new mid-engined bloodline for the company. When we first announced our intention to develop the Aston Martin Valkyrie, one company's boss said the car was impossible. Well, perhaps for them, but not for us. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to invite Adrian, Christian, David and Marek to reveal the very first verification prototype of the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Thank you. You'll see the car later. It's quite something.